In this video, I'll show you how to fix Grindr registration error. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, we hover here at registration troubleshooting. So running into trouble creating a Grindr account, and if you're seeing a funky error message, so you are in the right place. So one of the fastest and quickest way to troubleshoot the registration error is ensure that you're using the latest version of the Grindr app on both Android and iOS. Check to see if you're in a region where Grindr is blocked due to government restrictions. And for close Grindr, restart your device, enter your email addresses with lowercase. Your login is case sensitive, so you have to be mindful. Try a different email address when registering, and test your cellular network and or Wi-Fi connection, alright? And confirm that all required fields are filled out and that you are 18 plus of age. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and reopen the app. Now, for Android user, do not save the app inside a secure folder. Registering with a third-party account, say for example, Google, Facebook, ensure that you are logged into the third-party account before registering. Wait 24 hours and try it again. Now, if you're seeing a maximum number of accounts error message, if you're seeing that you have already created a Grindr account under that email address, all right? So you have to create a new one under a different email address. And if you are still seeing the registration error message, please submit a request to the Grindr team along with the following information. Number one, a screenshot of any error message if you're running into. The method you're using to create your account, say for example, email, Google, Facebook, or other method. The email address you're using if you're creating via email address and password. And your location, for example, you're in London, UK. Please note if you're using a VPN as well. And if your device, say for example, you're using an iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S 2022. And if you're still having trouble, please submit a request to any of the help center with a screenshot of the error message, time that error occurred, and your IP address at the time of the error. Thank you so much for watching.